What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another session of Build Break and Fix, brought to you exclusively by the Raw Coders. And today we have two roarers, Zane and Finesh. How are you feeling today, Finesh?
Hey Zane, yeah, thanks for the intro. Yeah, feeling really good, as usual. Yeah, can you get stuck into it? See what you guys did as well yesterday with Tori, and yeah, just can you get cracking?
Fantastic. Yeah, it was a productive session. As in, yes, today we eventually figured out how to hash the passcode,
Mm-hmm.
and that was done. I'll take you through that as in really briefly. It was just basically we were missing one thing
Mm-hmm.
that wasn't supposed to be there, and we we just said, "Hang on, why don't remove that and see if it works?" And it works.
Okay, I'd be interested to see
Yeah,
what that is.
cool. Right, cool. So first things first,
Mm-hmm.
let's acknowledge the country and pay our respects to the elders of the past. So here goes.
Cool.
I begin to acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today, and pay my respects to the elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today. Fantastic. All right. So I think it's my turn today to pick a letter, isn't it? For the background music.
Yeah, yep, it is.
Yeah.
I picked last time, so yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You wanna start the countdown?
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
C.
See, okay.
That's,
Should I?
oh, we don't really have. Yeah, just if we don't have a letter, then we can just pick the closest one and put that on.
Okay, there's dance pop or daydreaming. I think dance
You'll
pop.
pick. Yeah. All right. Go for it.
What do you think?
That's not too bad though. Yeah.
Yeah, it's to get
You
you in a
like it?
dance mood.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right.
That's
I'm being carried away now. Back to reality. All right. So what happened was
Mhm.
yesterday we managed to make the passcode work as in the backend, and we tested with Postman.
Mhm.
And today what we're gonna do is get the UI of it and try our best to wire up the front end with the back end as well.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Turn
yeah,
this down a little bit because it's
yeah.
a bit distracting.
Cool.
Okay.
Right. Do you want to share the screen today?
Yeah, sounds good.
And then when you do a git pull and go into the specific branch, I will take you through what we removed and it just worked.
Cool.
Yeah, this is a kind of a funky music, isn't it? As in
Yeah.
a bouncy one.
Yeah. Bit fast paced.
Yeah. Do you listen to it in fast pace or what sort of music are you into?
Yeah, I listen to a bit of everything, like yeah, just like rap or hip hop or just everything really. Yeah, but fast pace is good. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, true, true.
How about yourself, Zach?
Okay, so when I'm coding,
Mhm.
as in my go-to music is trance,
Mhm.
as in when I'm really in the zone, as in
Oh, wow, okay, nice.
that kind of one. Yeah, but when I want to kind of chill, then it's hip hop and uh, uh, R&B.
Okay, nice. Git status. WebSocket integration. So I'm on the right branch, right?
Do you want to maybe zoom in?
Oh, sorry.
You would want to be in board hyphen passcode. Cool. There we go. So if you do git status now, and if you open up app.js, we'll find out that if you actually created a new branch or is here we go. Yeah, that's the branch.
Is this correct?
Yeah, I already saw the variable passcode, so that's how I could tell.
Okay.
So if you go down to create a new board, yeah, that one. And if you go down slowly,
Yeah, this one.
yeah, go down slowly.
Mhm.
Oh, yeah, that line 253.
253. Okay. Hash
Yeah.
code equals await.
Because it
JS.
was async, so we had to wait for it to come back and then move on. Before, how it was working was it was moving on without having to wait for it to come back.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, and Tori basically pointed that out, which was really smart.
Awesome.
Hey, Tori, the third ruler is here as well as a viewer this time.
Hey, Tori.
Yeah, so
Mhm.
I don't know if you observe, and other thing that's missing from that one is the function at the end as a third argument of the hash function in 253. So if you put your mouse on the word hash,
Mhm.
as in hover, it takes in a function as optional, isn't it? As in a kind of a return.
Mhm.
Does it?
Function.
Promise with resulting hash. Oh, yeah. So I meant that the
Mhm.
callback.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
we just removed the callback. Basically, we didn't really want to do anything with the hashed thing, as we were already doing something in the params with that.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Does that make sense? Because you sound a bit confused.
Yeah, I'm a little bit confused about what you mean. Sorry.
Okay. Cool. So if you so if you go to the documentation,
Of Bcrypt?
yeah, bcrypt.js, yeah. Oh, beautiful view there.
Yeah, it's San Fran. Have you ever been?
Right.
Have you ever been to that? Or US?
No, I haven't, but I'd love to go one day though.
So would I.
Yeah, have you been there or not?
No, I haven't been there. I'd like to go. one day.
Definitely. Yeah, so bcrypto.j is the first one, and if you go down to the async call, async method, yeah, the uses, yeah, that one. So
This one?
you know how is no, it's not that one probably. Um, go down maybe.
This one? Oh, this one. Is it?
Yeah, that one. So you know how
Oh.
it's having a callback at the
Mm-hmm.
end as a
Mm-hmm.
third argument to the function.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, what that was apparently there for if we want to do something in the hash function. So you know
Okay.
how the hash
Mm-hmm.
function is there bcrypt.hash.
Mm-hmm.
So the callback was there if we basically wanted to say hash and then put in the database.
If you
So
wanted a
that's
hash.
what would the function do.
Oh, okay. Okay. That makes sense. Okay. So instead of what we did, we would put, if we wanted to use this, then we put the function called the database inside here. Is that correct?
That would be one way of putting it. Yes. Well, what we did was we would because we already had, as in the logic that was inserting the data in the database. So
Mm-hmm.
what we did was we just used the function to hash it only,
Mm-hmm.
and then we stored the hashing value in the variable.
Mm-hmm.
So if you go back to the code,
Mm-hmm.
it might make more sense there. So you know how we are hashing the passcode with sort rounds?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We did the hash and we stored the value in hash passcode
Mm-hmm.
variable.
Yeah.
And then we are using the hash passcode variable, yeah, in there to
Yeah.
insert it in the database.
I get what you mean. Yeah, that makes sense to me. I was primarily confused about that, what you were talking about, the callback. But yeah, that makes sense now with the documentation. So,
Yeah.
oh,
Yeah, I need to work on a bit more of my explanation skills as well. So that's already in progress. And these kind of situations make me reflect about my progress. So yeah, that's good.
nice.
Okay, cool. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna forget the back end and we will go to the front end, the tourist masterpiece. Hey, Gagdev, good to have you.
Hey, Gekdev. What's Nomi? What's no demon? So,
Okay, so so Tori actually taught me how to, as in set up the debugging, as in development locally, as
oh,
in
okay.
we can actually run the app locally and also debug it with no demo.
Okay.
And we were just kind of having a bit of a humorous chat yesterday that no, it's no demon or or
Okay.
no demon. And then Gagdev corrected us both that is nodemon.
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 Nodemon. Okay.
Yeah, nodemon.
Mm-hmm.
But
Node.
we were just taking it as a joke that okay, run run no demon now or no demon. So he's talking about that there.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll just
Right. So we will probably have to create a UI first.
I'll just get the right branch.
Yeah, maybe create a new branch.
I'll create a new branch. Okay. Do I need to? I should pull from somewhere first, right, Zane?
On which branch are you at the moment?
Connect WebSocket.
Was connect WebSocket. Wasn't our one called WebSocket integration? Was that for the backend then?
I think it's
Yeah,
for the
that must
backend.
be. Yeah, probably just pull from this one because WebSocket 1 is the latest. It has all the latest code in there.
Front end.
Have you got much conflict or not?
Doesn't
No,
look
you
like it.
haven't. You're lucky you haven't got. All right. Yeah, that's fine. Pretty ignore. I like how it's named it. Pretty ignore. Okay. Let's create a new branch and do the UI in there. Is by the way, just curious, is this your personal preference to do as in branch and then just switch and then open that one?
Just used to it, yeah. But
Okay.
I know you can do you can put the flag and then you can do both at the same, right? It's quicker. I don't remember the command. Is that what you were gonna say?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so now we are there. Just in the passcode UI. Okay. Okay, I might let you drive this a bit.
Okay.
In home.html, by the way.
True.
Plan to do.
So we need to create a box to input your passcode.
Yes, so I would say similar to our alert that we created, but additional as an add a text box in there.
Okay. Should we maybe have a look at like something that, or instead of text box, like have a UI that can looks that has like maybe 4 boxes inside, if you get what I mean, like
Oh, that one, the pass. Yeah, we could do that as well. That's actually a better idea.
just it might look neater.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So probably have to insert it around here. Let's say. I might have a look at some examples online.
Yeah,
in
go
terms
for
of.
it. Yeah, go for it. As in Google's Stack Overflow are our top two best friends.
Yeah. Something like this, or
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I know exactly what you mean. So probably do say as in 4-digit passcode UI HTML. There we go.
this is maybe. Mm,
What are you trying to do at the moment?
I'm just trying to find one that we can kind of follow, like an example that we can follow, like we did with the alert box.
Yeah. Mhm.
Um,
Cool. If you go back, I think the first link was seeming no, the one which showed
this
us in vanilla JavaScript.
this one.
Yeah, probably check that one. What is this? Oh, here we go.
It
Boom.
actually looks good. Um,
HTML structure. Boom. There we go. Everything is there.
okay. JavaScript, 4-digit password field. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I could have just put this. Um, yeah. Okay. Let me get this screen.
Copy and paste it. Don't worry. I know we are both, as in, relatively have good concepts about HTML, so there's no need to type it.
Okay. Uh, I'm just gonna leave it there. You're gonna say something, sir?
Oh, no, I would just, as a rather remind you that don't forget to change the text.
This one?
Yeah.
Where your special code is. Oh yeah. In the example, maybe you should actually put this on top.
Yeah. Enter passcode. Oh yeah, yeah. That's okay as well.
We'll just leave it like that for now. I'd like to see how it looks though.
You might want to change the folder to client.
Oh yeah, true. I forget.
Why did I remind you? I wanted to laugh a little bit. Ha ha. uh,
Okay.
no, Tori, we don't know what you're talking about there.
I don't know what he's talking about.
I know
Let's.
what he's talking about, but I'm pretending I don't know what he's talking about.
Okay.
He's talking about as in probably copying and pasting.
Oh, okay.
That's not what I saw.
Let's see some CSS. Okay, let me add the CSS now.
Yeah.
In here.
I know you too well, Tori, now.
Let's see.
Was this CSS in the article already or not?
There is. I'm just trying to decipher what we need. Oh, I'll get the article up again so we can see. Hold on. So they have a body here, but don't really want to mess up body up.
Yeah, we don't need the body. Probably just the form we would need because we want to submit it. The input, yes, we would need because part of the input special as well. Yeah, so all of that except the other thing.
Okay. Yeah, makes sense. Okay, let's. Let's see. Just gonna add it. I'll add it. I'll add it at the bottom. Just want to see if there's any other form CSS.
Yeah. Yeah, you know what I kind of have in my mind that we should only copy and paste if we kind of understand the concept of the code.
Yeah, fair
What
enough.
it's doing, rather than just copy and paste and see if it works. Yeah, it does. All right, cool. I did it.
No, that's fair enough. Yeah.
Because I saw one video in
Yeah.
which it was probably say one, yeah, 45 seconds to 1 minute long, and the guy is trying to make a code work, and he's doing on Stack Overflow. All he does, okay, that's the same problem as mine, and this is the solution. Okay, he copied and pasted it, and he runs run,
Yeah.
and he goes, let's go, yeah, it worked, let's go, I did it, let's go. That just cracked me up.
Is it on YouTube?
It was on, I saw it on Facebook.
Okay.
Yeah, the mini stories over there.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's funny.
It was like, it worked. Yeah.
That's a good one. If you find it again, send it to me.
Oh, I will. Definitely. It was just really as in special that, as in, he must have kind of read it and see what the code is doing, and okay, I'm trying to do the same thing as well or similar, and he just said copy and paste it in his own code, and it worked.
That's a good one.
That's hilarious.
Okay. This is for the div. Yeah, I reckon we'll need to change. We might need to adjust some of this.
Yeah, go for it.
Once
It's
we have
all experimental at the moment.
Yeah, actually, that's a good thing about typing it out as well, because then once you have a look, then you'll know like where to come back to.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, have a look. Um,
Yeah, it does totally, doesn't it? The same passcode looks great.
I don't know if he's being fantastic or not.
I think instead of digit, well, we can always come back to it, but instead of the dots, we probably should have numbers. So
Yeah.
you know, but yeah, that's no big deal at the moment. We need to focus on the placement and the styling.
Yeah, true. We just remove this. Basically, I think it would be good to maybe put like a border or background so we can.
Oh yeah, I mean the progress is very good.
The progress is very good. You think so?
Yeah, so what I meant is, yeah, it's not finished, but what we have come so far is very good until now. But yeah, we need to, as in, add, say, the text around it, as in on the top, the borders, a bit of a background. Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Okay.
He's saying how about a label too, so you know what that actually is.
I think, yeah, we removed this. Yeah.
Enter passcode. Yeah.
Yeah, so we don't need this actually.
No, we don't.
And maybe a question mark is not needed either. like a colon, perhaps.
So reset can come at the bottom of the boxes,
Okay.
as in it can probably say forgot your actually don't do reset at the moment because we're not doing that functionality as of yet.
Okay. Yeah. Makes sense.
Enter your passcode, and probably want to bring the enter passcode in the middle on the boxes.
Yeah, agreed.
Uh,
The text.
this is why I don't like front end. Yes,
we don't.
sorry.
This isn't front end. Isn't this front end?
Oh, really? I thought it was kind of front end. Is it not front end?
Yeah, I get what you mean.
Yeah. One story is I like how you put that. Hey, come on. We don't have a monorepo, okay? This is a microservice. This is a front end. We have a back end as well. Yay, it worked.
I just wanted to have a look at the inlet.
Mm-hmm. Is it not going? Your URL might not be. If the URL is causing a problem. API URL.
API. Oh, okay. Okay, this is the. We need to fix that.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Maybe make the boxes a bit smaller.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Make it like 440.
A bit more. Because I'm trying to keep the enter. Actually, yeah, that's fine. 35.
You want it to be like.
What do you think?
Yeah, it looks better, I think.
Because I want it to be as in enter passcode is the same font size of name your new board.
Oh, okay.
So it just visible enough, but not too small or too big.
Yeah, makes sense. I'll what size is that? Um, 30.
I don't know why all of a sudden I feel like having a pizza.
Have you eaten dinner?
I haven't had dinner yet. Okay, so wipe the password is a 4-digit PIN. You can track it like 1 minute with a for loop. Crack. Tori, That's a really good idea, but at the moment we're not really concerned about how many bad guys are there trying to hack in the passcodes. All right, let's do that and see how you go, and let us know, yeah, how you go with cracking the passwords.
Um, and this box could be a little bit smaller as well, the div box.
Mm-hmm.
Um, this div box. I don't know if this is the right way to do things or not, but yeah.
In programming, there's no right way. It just whatever works make you work.
I mean, best practices thing.
Yeah, best practices. Yeah, I'll try not to forget them. Yeah, I was being sarcastic, by the way. Um, yeah, we should be. So I wouldn't say I'm very good in front end.
Mm-hmm.
So what are we trying to do at the moment?
I just wanted to make the div box a little bit smaller, like so yeah, just wanted to make it smaller. Like I didn't want to use up the whole width, so just made it 50%, and then yeah, that's what I was trying to do. Just trying to make it the box look neater, essentially.
So you're already using half of it. So
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like I don't know if just doing this is is good practice or not. But
yeah, that looks fine to me. As in, that is responsive as well because you're using percentage sign.
cool.
Yeah, code always wins. Okay, cool. So that is there. How about if you try and bring the end to your pass, as in basically center both the components in the div. So if you basically did that's the passcode, okay, that's the div, and in that one we have one div. What's the div ID for? Code black. Right and right underneath that. Expand that. Enter. Okay, cool. Enter passcode. Okay, cool. Can we do basically align items center of this
one.
class, maybe. I knew it wouldn't work.
Specify content center.
Or maybe do margin 0 and auto. That might bring it in the middle. Yay. Oh la la. Okay, and now we need to get the margin 0. Okay, now we need to get the passcode in the middle. Maybe go to the passcodes div itself and just do text align center.
Oh,
Oh
nice.
la
Okay.
la. And basically add a bit of spacing between the two. So just basically pull a break, page break, whatever that is.
Like here. Now
Yeah.
there's already one. Oh. After
Is
here.
it already one?
There's one.
Oh,
here.
maybe put a margin
Okay.
underneath. So on the passcode, do margin basically top or bottom. Yeah, try that. Here we go. Sexy.
Okay.
A bit lower.
More?
Yeah. Yeah. What do you reckon?
Maybe 15.
Can you make the enter passcode a bit more smaller?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Because what I'm trying to do is basically try our best to match other font sizes.
What do you think of this? 1.5. Too small? Or?
Go up. Actually, that should be fine. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, and give can you bring the div a bit at the top, as in the entire div of enter passcode? So probably the margin top minus something.
Yeah, can do. I was thinking, saying, did it want to be like a pop-up, like it would come up after?
Yeah.
So should it be like a box that comes up, or should it just come underneath here like this?
So it will be a pop-up there, come there, but what we're at the moment trying to do is set up is placing, where as in at which position should it come, and then we will basically do it with a hide and show or whatever.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. I'll just maybe add a margin. Yeah.
Yeah, that looks good to me. And then basically increase the top margin of example board. Or the bottom margin of passcode. I mean, whatever you think is right. They're all right.
I think adding bottom here would be more appropriate. But Yeah, not
Let's try
very
that.
strong.
Yeah, here we go. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Oh, that is sexy. I'm loving it. Okay,
Okay.
and shall we add the borders, the border and the background as well?
Let me just add these changes to the actual code though. So,
Cool. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're
yeah.
just changing it here.
Yeah.
Right.
Nice. So we change this div.
Why are we hiding the passcode? So we're hiding the passcode because we don't want to show it when the page loads up. So as soon as the admin presses go, it would come up with the passcode as a prompt.
Okay.
What happened?
Oh, do we want to make this just numeric, or
Probably.
should it accept letters as well? Just wondering if is there like a HTML thing where you can just add a. I think there is, right? You can just add a tag here for numeric only, like.
Yeah. Yes,
You
but
know.
I'm thinking that we should be. Actually, Tori is right though. Let's do it alphanumeric.
Okay.
It kind of becomes hard for Tori to crack it afterwards.
That's true. Okay. Okay. So then, next thing we have to do is you want to add a border or.
Yeah, and the background to the div.
Okay.
So I would. What do you think? Shall we keep the as in background and the colors consistent with the alert box as well?
Yeah, I think so.
Let's
What do you
do
think
that
so?
then. Yeah. So just control find alert body. Yeah, here we go. You're there already.
Body here. This one? Want some padding? I'll probably copy the same padding, to be honest.
Yeah. Sexy. Probably decrease a bit of the padding.
Okay, yeah. It's a little. Be like 15. And 16. It's a little like
Is it even changing?
it is, but it's like really small. Is it changing?
To be honest, I don't think it's changing. Try in the browser and see if it does it. Oh, right. You probably want to do padding top and bottom. No, sorry, my bad. Ignore that. So that's the background, isn't it, at the moment?
Mm-hmm. Give me 1 sec. I'll just put my charger.
Yeah. Yeah, what we might need to do is we might need to decrease the width of the div itself.
Decrease the width itself.
Yeah.
This width.
Yeah.
And then add the padding.
Yes.
Like that.
There we go.
That looks better. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Good idea.
Okay, and how about if we add border radiuses?
Yeah, some border radius would be nice. Did we add it for the alert body?
I don't think we did.
A bit more, maybe. Like, yes.
I like it. Good job.
Thanks. And then we want this as a pop-up, right? Like this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This is criminal. What does he mean?
We are winning. That's what that means. By hook or by crook.
Okay. Okay. So now we need to add that bit of JavaScript, right? To
Yeah. But yeah, that we can continue on that tomorrow. No problem at all.
okay.
That's what happens when rule coders are on fire and in the zone. Am I right, Finish?
Yeah, man, for sure. Actually,
Cool.
a bit confused as to what Tori means, but
Oh, I think what we meant is that we're killing it and we're not stopping at 10:30.
Okay.
Yeah. I think that's what it means. Hopefully, yeah. But yeah, do you want to do the honors?
Yeah, sounds good. Cool. Thanks for joining us for another episode on Build Break and Fix by Bro Coders. In today's episode, we worked on adding the Passcode UI box in the front end. Yeah, so it's looking better as we go along, and really close to getting that done and wiring that up with the backend. And yeah, and overall we are close to wrapping up the project MVP anyway. So yeah, so thanks for joining us, everyone, on today's episode, and we'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place, and
A different task. Alright, guys, have a great night, and we'll see you then.
thanks, everyone. Good night.